This video is to show you how to create a new project for funding on Donors Choose. Once you are in your account, click on Create a Project. The standard project takes 20 minutes. Let's time it. On my clock it says 9:08. Let's go. What grade levels will benefit? Well, I'm sharing my paper with the school and I want to click K through 5, but it only allows me to choose one section, so I'll leave it at 3rd through 5th grade. And a number of students benefiting, you can write down 1 through 999. Describe your students. Now, my write-up is already ready here on Google Docs. I have many write-ups on my Google Drive on Donors Choose, from iPads to paper to equipment. So I have my paper document on and I just copy it. That way I'm ready. And then I paste it onto my Donors Choose project. Then I save and continue. This is the shopping portion of it. There's different vendors, and I like to shop on Amazon because it's easy, but there are other vendors to choose from, Best Buy, Blix. But as I said, I like Amazon Business, and I'm going to try to keep my project under $600 because we only have 6 days of school left, so I have 6 days to get this funded. And you have a better chance if you keep your project under $600. And when you shop on Amazon, you have to make sure that it is Prime. Otherwise, it won't be approved. So start shopping on Amazon. And I'm going to white reams of paper. Will be my search. Here it is. And notice it is Prime. Actually, this is colored paper, so I'm going to keep looking. I'll just type it in here. As I said, if it's not Prime, it will not be approved. And white paper. Okay, here's colored paper. Why can't I find white paper? That's Prime. Okay, it's colored. Here's Prime. And I'm going to add 10 to my cart. Add to cart. Then I'm going to view my cart prior to submitting for approval. Although I added 10, it only says 1. So I'm going to add 10. Update. So it brings my project to $355. And Donors Choose has some fees attached to it to keep their business up and their nonprofit up and running. So let's see how close I can get without surpassing their fees. Update. Okay, I'm just going to add 11 reams of paper because I wanted this project to be approved within the 6 days. We only have 6 days of school left. Submit these items for approval. Oh, perfect. So it's $544.64. Now we have to summarize what's in the cart. Help me give my students paper. And I'm going to cut and paste from my Google Doc. Save and continue. Title of the project is We Need Paper. About your project. Once again, I go back to my Google Docs. I have all my projects written down on Google Docs, so all I have to do is cut and paste. You can also look for examples of other Donors Choose projects and see how those are written. Choose up to 2 subject. Okay, so we use paper to make copies of our ELA and also things for math. Okay, and save and continue. And then you have the chance to edit it. And it tells you here where your donation goes and where the fees go in Donors Choose. Shipping is free. Total cost of the project is $462. Suggested donation to help Donors Choose is $81. It's nonprofit, so since all of this is free, you can't really complain about the $81. Now submit the project. As you can tell on the clock, it's only 9:14, and we were able to create a Donors Choose project. Now they give us a link right here, your project's web address, and you can share it via email or Facebook. Now, they have a code here. If your donors type lift off at checkout, their donations will be doubled up to $50 for the next 7 days. So there you go. That's how you create a project on Donors Choose.